Okay, welcome to video number 2. Let's carry on with the assembly. Next thing to install is this little USB port right here. Comes with it. You have to power it. Obviously you don't want 48 volts going to your cell phone per se, because that could be bad for its existence. But you can get a little converter that goes on here, and these pins correspond with the 4 pins inside the USB port. If you get yourself a voltage converter from 48 volts to the standard USB 5 volt voltage, then you should be able to run your phone off it, and it won't. You could also hook it to one cell, and use that cell, to draw the 3 volts you need, or 5 volts you need. But the bad thing about that is the Chinese BMSs aren't really good enough to rebalance it every time you pull it out of balance. So you're really just damaging your battery by doing that. You don't want to do that. It's a bad idea. Anyway, so I get these stupid little screws in. They are little. I need to go find me a smaller screwdriver. Hold on. Alright, well, of course that's not readily available. Probably want to be careful with these little tablets, these little tabs on these inside this battery box, because they could probably break off fairly easily. So I kind of drive the screw in and bring it back out a little. Try to take it slow, otherwise you're going to wind up with broken stuff on your hands, and that's no fun. So let's see. That'll be that little pointy one. I may do a little bit of guessing with the screws. It's always a possibility.